Check that core right.
And that was because he wrote the entire command line out and said like I was supposed to do the majority of that time was the table propagation.
Not seen any core ID on the SIP phone yet.
Yes.
Thing
Yeah.
Oh,
I simply had that.
How nice it is. What's the time?
The time is currently 3:26.
5:16. He's still got 2 minutes to debug. He'll be alright.
No making noises.
Is there any champion, guys? Right. You gotta beat Tony.
Yeah, same job as yesterday.
I remember you brought sweeties to the decaf course as well.
I do like sweeties. Yes. Do you know what sweetie means in Australia? You need to look it up.
We're trying, we really are.
Let's see, caller ID.
Oh, come on, it's analog. You gotta get the second ring.
There's no caller ID there at all.
It's not. It's ringing something.
Where's that ringing to? 4 minutes 22 seconds currently. Oh, yes. Look at this.
Your record might hold, Tony.
Jared, are you taking notes?
Yes, in my head.
He's taking that to Benjamin and
Jared beats me into the cheating.
Jared's been copying everyone else's work over his shoulder.
Yeah, David, I think people watching the coding happening who are going to take part